It's a weird feeling, right? Well, there's a fascinating psychological term for this: transference. Let's break it down. It reveals unresolved feelings and conflicts that are secretly running the show. In therapy, professionals use transference as a powerful tool. By exploring these redirected feelings, they can help you understand your core emotional wounds and break free from unhealthy cycles. By becoming aware of your own transference, you can start to see people for who they truly are, not as stand-ins for figures from your past. This self-awareness helps you build healthier, more genuine relationships in every area of your life. It's a powerful step toward emotional freedom. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, give this video a like and subscribe for more insights into the human mind. See you next time.